I love that truck. Couple of flat floors at the Truckman Corporation. Let's get this show on the road, shall we? Welcome back to the channel. It's Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge on another beautiful drive. We are in February in beautiful, sunny, snowy Ohio. Snowy I do not like, but hey, you gotta make lemonade when you got lemons. So we're gonna hunt for a truck today that I'm hoping is still sitting where it was sitting a couple years ago, and I think you guys will like it when you see it. So stick around town. Okay, peeps, I am ready to make a turn here. This facility is not connected to what I'm looking for today, but it's right behind it. This is an ABF warehouse terminal. Oh yes, I see the truck. Absolutely cool. Very cool. I love that truck. Back at you guys, Dane Scott from the Truckers Lounge. I'm excited. I got permission to look this GMC, you see it in the background there, GMC General, and it's even for sale. So we're going to take a look at it as best as we can in this weather. And I've been invited back. If he still has it in the spring, we'll get a run by and a driving of it. And so let's go take a look. Wow. Now I'm wading through snow. But that's what it's all about when you're chasing trucks. If you guys are out chasing trucks and trailers like I am, and you're up here in the north, you are experiencing the frigid temperatures this time of year. This is a jacket that is actually heated. See this little red dial right here? It's put on the warmest temperature. You can put it kind of medium and low. But I don't know why someone didn't invent this sooner, but I love this jacket, Venustus. And if you guys are interested in something like this, look down in the comments. I'll put the links there, and they've even offered to give a discount coupon if you're one of my subscribers and you come to them through the channel. So go ahead and check it out, see if it's something you're interested in. I highly endorse it because it's nice and warm when I'm out in the cold chasing trucks and trailers. Look at this. I think he said it's around an 85 GMC General. Got single headlights, so I don't know if that would be an 85. It might be an earlier one. Came from a construction company before he had it. It has a fresh in-frame. It's a 671. He said it's a 10-speed. Take a look at this frame first. it's for sale. So get a hold of me on the channel, or the number was on the side of the door. The person you want to speak to is Butch, and he's very motivated to sell this old General. So since you guys have been so good, I'm going to give you a little bonus today. Check out these two bad boys. A couple of flat floors at the Truckman Corporation. So see, sometimes good things happen when you poke around. Keep the hammer down, safe and sound.